Hello, everybody. Larry Baumgart, along with Jim Bartles at the State FFA Convention. We're bringing you late afternoon, Monday here. We're interviewing some FFAers from Morris area, and we'll see what they're up to. Who's this young lady?
Courtney Elringer.
And your parents, Courtney.
Dan and Laura Elringer.
Okay, now what brings you to the state convention?
I'm competing in the egg sales competition, and that includes taking a test, and then it's a team of 4, so we all have a different practicum, and then we have a different item that we all sell, and then we have a market analysis we have to compete in.
Wow, sounds pretty high tech here, huh? How'd it go, you think?
I think we did very well. We're all very confident in how we did. So
Have you competed in this other years?
This is my second year competing, and it's my other teammates' third year.
Yeah, how'd they do last year?
We placed 4th in state last year.
Right up there knocking on the door, huh? Well, we'll find out in another day or so, right?
Yes.
Kind of exciting. Now, you doing some other activities at the school? The FFA?
Yes, I'm in volleyball, student council, BPA, 4-H, acapella choir, National Honor Society, and the Bloodmobile Committee.
Is that enough? You need more things, or how's it going? So you're pretty involved in all these areas. And 4-H, what do you show livestock, or what do you do there?
I actually don't have any animals, but I compete in the clothing, the home environment, crafts, food and nutrition, and foods, yeah.
Foods, okay. What county is that?
Stevens County?
And that's right in Morris, the county fair?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Now, FFA, bunch of activities going on for you back there. What do you got?
We recently just renovated our kiddie barn this last summer, so now it is like the Miracle Birth Center at the state fair. And
That's at the fairgrounds then?
Yep, it's at the fairgrounds. And then we just started doing a chapter garden last year, and with the stuff that we grow in the garden, we donate to the school, so then they can serve fresh fruits and vegetables at the school. And we also have Egg in the Classroom, which is when we go down to the cities and teach kids that don't know a lot about egg. And this year we're going down in May, and we are bringing our cattlemen's, and so they'll be serving burgers to the kids, which is something new.
Yeah. Gee, that sounds good. Do you know where you're going in the cities?
I'm not actually sure.
Bringing the country to town, huh? Mm-hmm. Those kids are like that, won't they? Now they're younger kids, is that it?
Yes, they're elementary students. Yep.
That'll be terrific. So, sounds like you're really busy. A senior, got some plans for next year?
Yes, I plan to attend Mankato State University for dental hygiene.
Very good. I bet you'll do good. You got a good smile, so you're probably in the right area, right?
Yeah, I hope so.
And we're back here with Tom. Tom who?
Tom Holland.
Parents are?
Joe and Linda Holland.
And Tom, where do you live?
Donley, Minnesota.
Again?
Donley, Minnesota.
Little town somewhere?
Right north of Morris.
Okay, now you live in town or in the country?
Right out in the country there.
Okay, and a farm?
Yep, a little farm site kind of.
You know, hobby farm or?
Yeah, we rent it out. We rent our land out, so we don't really have anything, but
All right.
used to.
Now you work somewheres, and what do you do for a job for that?
I work at the local grocery store in the wintertime, and then in the summertime I work at Westmore, which is a gas tank, like truck tank shop.
Okay. What brings you to the state convention?
Egg sales.
Oh, okay. You were with your partner here in egg sales, then, right?
Yep.
And you think you done pretty good?
Yeah, I think we did all right.
Yeah, okay. Anything else you doing down here for the convention?
Well, our chapter's down here because we got Lloyd Lesmeister, who's going to nationals for proficiency product with trees, and we've gotten 3rd in egg literacy down here, so we're doing good.
State proficiency winner in forestry, and that was what was his name again for us?
Lloyd Lesmeister.
Well, congratulations to him.
Yeah.
Be mighty proud of that. I see you're an officer. What office are you?
I'm vice president as of now.
Okay, and who are the officers then?
Brooke Wente is our president. Steph Hennon is our secretary. Chelsea Elringer is our treasurer. Haley Kotz is our reporter. Brady Wolf is our parliamentarian. Tim Smith is our sentinel. And Beth Holland, my sister, is the director.
Okay, and you got a busy summer doing FFA activities and training, leadership work?
Yeah, Actually, this summer I'm going to go to Washington, D.C. for a Washington Leadership Conference. So,
Excellent. I've done that. That is a really good trip. You'll like that.
yeah, I hope
Any
so.
other kids from Morris going?
Brooke Wente's going, too.
That'll be fun. Have a buddy to hang out with. All right. Anything else, or what do you do in school besides FFA?
I'm in football, basketball, baseball. I'm part of the National Honor Society. I'm in the a cappella choir, the wind ensemble band, and I'm also a blood drive leader.
Oh, yeah. Well, my gosh, you're pretty busy out there. That's great. How big is the chapter?
It's about, I'd say 70 kids,
All right.
maybe
So-
more than that. I
And,
don't know.
and your advisor is?
Natasha Mortensen.
She's been there for a while then, not
Yeah.
5-10 years maybe?
Yeah, I'd say about 10 years. She's
Really, man.
great. Oh yeah, we also have Nick Milbrandt this year. He's our new advisor.
Wow. So it's a growing chapter, doing a lot of stuff. Well, good for Morris. Good for you guys. Thanks for coming by. You're the leader, right?
Try
Lead
to be.
on.
Try to be.
All right. Hey, thank you so much. The Morris FFA stopping in, say hello.